So on the morning of a bit of a stormy day here in Britain, I decided to go through trying to figure out more about the spaces and icons and so on. So in Author, I defined a lot of terms because they were just plain in the text. So I'm showing you here it greatly sped through, so it doesn't take too long. You can see there's a very rough shape being built up here. So I deleted a lot of stuff that I don't need, and I start to build a shape where we have different aspects in different places, primarily reading on the left and authoring on the right. And then I realized one thing that is quite useful in Author that I hadn't really thought about before, which is this. When I'm taking a selection, I just select the text in Author, and then I do the keyboard shortcut to go to Map, Command M, and that selection is then a note at the bottom, which can guide me through writing what else I need to define from that selection. And when I'm done with that, I just delete it. And I've done the same for another section. And sometimes I go and write into the writing mode what I have learned from doing this. So I change the definitions a little bit and keep building and building. So this process of iterating and moving around turned out to be quite useful in this particular case of adding definitions and seeing how they appeared on the map, so to speak. So this is the result. On reading, there are basically three aspects: browsing, deep reading, and contextual reading. And surprisingly for me, authoring on the right as browsing, deep writing, and contextual writing. So that means in the middle we have a library space for browsing, we have focused reading room and focused writing room, and then we have a contextual space that links both of them. So thank you very much for having a look at this. This was just how I got to some conclusions today, and also this is how I've been using Author to think in, which may relate to how we may do the same kind of thing in XR.